For several months, a group of professional artists and amateurs, old and young, have been working on this Thangka, commissioned by the Tibet College of Buddhism. Thangkas have been discovered that are hundreds of, even over 1,000 years old. To see this group of modern Thangka painters is to wonder, is this how artists have always worked, to create these religious masterpieces? Produced on cotton or silk, Thangkas usually depict a deity or scene associated with Buddhism. Originally, most Thangkas were intended to enhance personal meditation or to help the instruction of student monks. The composition can be highly elaborate and may include a plethora of tiny figures. Often, a large central deity is depicted, surrounded by other, lesser figures in a symmetrical pattern. Karma Tenzin was born in Shannan Prefecture, Tibet. He comes from a long line of Thangka painters.
Tazi manzo pegi latib sedi rama thoma jombati ni go zu je kor mi sebe gi mere hienda ji mandam lo ji keje shwe yore kare sana ji pugu kore ramal kasin yu ji babada ame kasakal ji gigen da ji iji yeba gigen da geda yabuji kor wa chenden ji di zega chi.
The course of learning to paint Thangkas is difficult. It requires considerable patience and stamina, as it can involve many hours' work a day. An artist needs to be utterly devoted, since there's little time left for other pursuits. Proper mental preparation is vital. The artist needs to develop a sense of compassion, to purify his mind, and to rid himself of jealous thoughts. The painting reflects their meticulous approach to every detail. Old and young alike, the artists feel duty to promote interest in Thangka painting.
Pena ji ngaranzo pegi latib ji rama thoma gigen tembe kapso nasa thanga sedi thanga re thola lab chamar ngola sanje kudi shugu gala ma gigen ge kudi namba shi song je je ma tri je shugu ga rama thö so shini ane re ga tri chogore.
For months, they've been striving to attain artistic perfection. But it's also been a journey to cultivate their souls.
Ta derin di kyachichon di kane ma rai su se gen ke de kar ki wartana so keri da change da to se kan gen ke ne sheba sama kitu chia to se gen ke je ne so nga so len gen ku tu ta ba tin de ku gore. 开脸是最重要的，最后面唐嘎全部完成了以后，再最后面再开脸。开脸需要一个很好的日子，这个作品好不好？好不好呢？就是主要是脸部，脸部开好的话，这个算一个就是很好的一个作品。如果脸部开不好的话，那这个作品已经就是在不算就是精品的。 一个作品。
Traditionally, the pigments used in Thangkas contain precious minerals, mixing gold, silver, pearl, agate, coral, turquoise, malachite or cinnabar with extracts of plants such as rhubarb and indigo, demonstrate a level of reverence. These natural materials guarantee that a Thangka will retain its luster and brilliance even after hundreds of years, whether produced on cloth or a wall.